What is the best free VPN? Maruf Hossein says, to be honest, there is nothing called the best free VPN because the best apps are never free to use, and you must pay to get their service. Remember, this so-called free VPN makes money by selling your personal data to third parties. Some of these VPNs even limit security features that allow viruses to attack your devices. So, it's not wise to look for any free VPN if you want complete access to any site. Instead, try a full security premium VPN to get unlimited data bandwidth. The paid subscriptions depend on how premium or for how long you want to use the VPN. Now, in this case, you can try out the VPN, which can be available in the App Store. VPN apps are used by almost millions of users around the globe for their attractive features. The most exciting part is that you can switch to different countries' servers to increase your connection speed. Some of its most liked features include unlimited data, time and bandwidth, multiple device connection with the same account, fastest speed connection within a second, no log gets saved, protection from malicious site and blocks pop-up ads, no registration is required to log in. I hope the above information is enough to help you decide which VPN app you can trust and use full safety. Best of luck. Sajid Ali says, don't think you can get best thing at free of cost. There is no best free VPN that can fulfill your requirements. You have to compromise something in result of IPs, servers, protocols, etc. Another bad thing is ads marketing that they use for earning with free services. If no ads, then think how they earn. Obviously logging your data and selling it to third parties. So if you are happy with that, then use free VPN happily and keep inviting prying eyes to show your online activities. If you have a bit care of your data, then you should ignore free VPNs and try some cheap or affordable VPNs that you can easily get from any reliable websites. Jem Arazlan says, if something on internet is free, then you are the product. So free VPN is against philosophy of VPN. I would recommend buying a virtual cloud service and learning how to install OpenVPN and how to configure it. If your intention is to get rid of government censorship, they are already blocking the known services first. In such cases, since you are the owner of the IP and services, so you can change ports and nobody will notice your personal VPN. If you buy an DDWRT or OpenWrt supporting router, you can flash your router and connect directly through router, so you don't need to setting. Thanks for watching our video on what is the best free VPN.